Alright guys, this one is a proper Christmas treat. Baked Brie with honey and cranberries. It's warm, it's gooey, it's got all those festive flavors, and best of all, it's ridiculously easy to make. Let's get stuck in. Here's what you need. A wheel of brie, about 200 grams, 3 tablespoons of lovely runny honey, some cranberries, fresh or dried, whatever you've got, a bit of fresh thyme if you got it, and of course something to scoop it up with, like crusty bread or crackers. Simple, beautiful ingredients. Right then, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. That's 350 degrees Fahrenheit for my mates in the States. Pop your brie on a lined baking tray. Drizzle over half the honey, don't be shy here, and then scatter on those cranberries. Look at that already, festive vibes, right? Into the oven it goes for about 12 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it, you want it soft and oozy but not completely bursting. That moment when it's just holding its shape, that's the sweet spot. Now when it's out, drizzle over the rest of your honey. Look at that shine. And if you've got a bit of thyme knocking about, sprinkle it over the top. It's subtle, herby, and brings the whole thing together beautifully. And now the best part. Grab some crusty bread or a cracker and dive in. Gooey, creamy brie, sweet honey, and those gorgeous little bursts of cranberry. It's just Christmas on a plate, isn't it? So simple but absolutely stunning. So there you go. Baked Brie, a proper showstopper for your Christmas spread. Easy, beautiful, and so delicious. Give it a go and let me know how it turns out. Like, subscribe, and check out the blog for the full recipe and more festive ideas. Happy holidays!